A companion in faith. The loyal dog of Ashab-e-Kahf. The story of Ashab-e-Kahf includes mention of a dog that accompanied the young men. The Quran specifically mentions the presence of the dog in Surah Al-Kahf. Here's what we know about the dog and its role. The number of the companions and the dog. The Quran does not definitively state the number of youths but acknowledges differing opinions. They will say, there were 3, the 4th of them being the dog, and they will say, there were 5, the 6th of them being the dog, guessing at the unseen, and they will say, there were 7, and the 8th of them was their dog. Say, my Lord is most knowing of their number. This verse emphasizes that the exact number of companions, including the dog, is not the primary focus of the story. Instead, the moral and spiritual lessons are more important. The dog was a loyal companion to the youths and stayed with them as they sought refuge in the cave. The Quran describes the dog lying at the entrance of the cave, stretching its forelegs, and you would think them awake, while they were asleep. And we turned him to the right and to the left, while their dog stretched his forelegs at the entrance. The dog's position at the entrance may have served as a form of protection, deterring anyone from approaching. Significance of the dog. Faithful protector. The dog's loyalty to the Ashab-e-Kahf is a powerful example of the bond between humans and animals, especially when both are united in a righteous cause. Symbol of mercy. Allah's mention of the dog in the Quran indicates that even animals are part of His mercy and can play a role in protecting and assisting believers. Status in Islam. While dogs are generally seen as requiring caution in Islamic jurisprudence, this story demonstrates that they can be loyal and valuable companions. Even a dog, often overlooked in religious discussions, was part of this miraculous event. Loyalty and protection. The dog's steadfast companionship serves as a model for loyalty and protection in times of adversity. The dog is an integral part of the story, symbolizing loyalty, protection, and Allah's mercy, even towards animals. The Ashab-e-Kahf story ends as a testament to Allah's power and as a source of inspiration for believers across all generations.